everyone. Dr. Anuja Reddy is here. Today we are gonna discuss about a very important topic. I laughed so hard that my tears rolled down to my legs. So what does this mean? This is something related to your pelvic floor dysfunction. Most of the women are affected by this, and even men are also affected by this. But no one wants to talk about this, no one wants to get treatment for this. This is the most important, but least addressed topic. So, what is pelvic floor dysfunction? Pelvic floor muscles continuously contract and relax and helps in your ball and bladder movement. So, inability to relax and coordinate with pelvic floor muscles while urinating or while ball movement is pelvic floor dysfunction. So, if you think pelvis as home to bladder, rectum, prostate in men, uterus in women, then pelvic floor muscles are foundation to this home. So, what are the symptoms of this dysfunction? The main symptom is frequent urination, painful urination, leaking of urine, leaking of stool, leaking of urine while coughing, while sneezing, while even laughing, and constipation. Difficulty in eliminating and passing the stools, lower back pain without any other reason. So these are the most common causes, and these are the most common symptoms. And what are the causes? The causes are being overweight with growing age, any injury to your pelvic floor organs or muscles, and the important cause is pregnancy. So after pregnancy, this is something common. Because pregnancy can put a lot of strain in your pelvic floor muscles and tissues, and especially during a long and difficult labor can put more pressure. So for this you have to do simply few exercises regularly and you will be fine. So just don't neglect it. I'm gonna show you few exercises, few important exercises, and you can do those exercises at home. And if you have any query regarding this, then you can directly contact me. It's better to do it under supervision first, so you can go to your physiotherapist nearby and perform all these exercises. So just watch this video and just stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you. Exercise, you have to contract your perineal muscles. So sometimes you want to go bathroom, and bathroom is not, if the bathroom is not available nearby, then we tend to hold our urine. So in this exercise also you have to squeeze that part, you have to contract that those muscles, so as if you're holding your urine. But make sure before doing this exercise you have to empty your bladder, and don't hold your breath. So first inhale, and while exhaling you have to do this exercise. So inhale, and while exhaling contract your perineal muscles. So do not hold your breath. Okay, so I am going to show you the position. So practice this exercise in lying position, and then you can do it in sitting or even in standing also. With practice you will be able to do it in sitting and standing. So take legs closer to your hips, and then inhale, and while exhaling contract your perineal muscles. So hold for 10 seconds and do it for a minimum 5 to 10 times. So you have to squeeze that part. So this is your first exercise. So second exercise is pelvic tilt. In this exercise you have to tilt your pelvis up towards your head. Do not lift your pelvis up, just tilt it towards your head. So take breath in, and while exhaling tilt it towards your head. You can see this movement. So like this. So this is your second exercise. And third exercise, you have to take a ball or towel or a pillow between your thighs and press with your thighs. Press below, hold for 10 seconds and relax. And the fourth exercise is squats. You can do squats also for your pelvic